Okay, so this is going to be a section in setting up your operating accounts. I'm going to make the following recommendations. Although I'm not a tax accountant, I'm not an attorney. This is what I've done, and I'm just going to give you some options to formulating your business. You could either do this as a sole proprietorship, or you could incorporate an LLC. I have formed many LLCs, and I've always done it in Wyoming. Years ago, I learned that Wyoming was the best state to form an LLC, and that has been my experience. If you type in the best states to form LLCs, you'll see that it's ranked #1. And here are some of the benefits as to why that is the case. Again, you could incorporate in your own state. I live in Florida, but I incorporate all of my companies in Wyoming. You will also want to go to Google and type in obtaining an IRS EIN. So click on apply for your employer ID, and you go to the IRS website, and you need a tax ID number for your business. Those two things, you'll be able to go to your local bank and open up a business account and start your business. I would recommend starting a corporation as opposed to do this under your own name. But again, this falls within your comfort level and what you want to do. I'm showing you how I've done it, how I do it. And for those looking to see what I do, how I do it, this is exactly what I do. And this is free. And the Wyoming is fairly cheap. I mean, it's a lot more expensive to incorporate in Florida than it is here, and in the annual fees as well. Look, it's #4. I live here, but I incorporated Wyoming. Anyway, I hope this helps. And again, take this with a grain of salt. If you like it, you use it. If you don't, you don't. You don't necessarily need it. You could do this with your own name as a sole proprietor. All right, I will see you on the next module.